This is an interactive art project using fabric. Press or slide on the fabric to wirelessly switch visuals on the computer. An FSR pressure sensor is placed under the fabric. When the pressure exceeds the set threshold, it triggers a control signal. A single FSR has a limited sensing area, so I expanded it to T sensors to cover a larger area of the fabric. You will see it later. This project uses the XLOT-Hera control board, XLOT-FSR Pressure Driver, and FSR pressure sensors. One Hera reads the pressure data and wirelessly sends it to another Hera, which controls the computer. Here is the circuit connection. The program is written in Arduino and uploaded to the sender and receiver boards. A 3D printed enclosure is added to install the whole system under the fabric to cover a larger area of the fabric. Alright, it can do more than switch images or animations. It can also be used for wearable lighting, motor control, and other interactive projects. More ideas are waiting to be explored.